Hey guys, happy Wednesday! You know, Wednesdays are always days for Edpuzzles. So, once my computer loads, we're going to hit the presentation for today. I'll describe which Edpuzzle we're actually going to be doing, and I will tell you your reminders for the week. So, make sure you click this attendance link right here so that we can count you present for today. Your reminders are to continue working on your human body vocabulary. So remember that's due on the 26th. It's a little different this time because you guys aren't going to be adding pictures to vocab this time. You guys are actually going to be describing interactions between the system and another system. So today the Edpuzzle we're doing is titled Human Body Systems and Interactions. And remember, Edpuzzles are graded. So if you need to rewind it, listen to it again, by all means do so, because you want to get the best grade possible. So it is an Amoeba Sisters video. Those are the best. So they have one on human body systems that describes the interactions that they have with one another. So make sure you check out the Edpuzzle. And then once you get finished with it, you need to work on any missing work. Maybe if you want to get a couple of words done on vocab, that would be smart. Just make sure you're always staying ahead and not getting behind. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to your teacher and we will be more than happy to help you.